How to recover a guest account on Call of Duty Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to recover guest account on Call of Duty Mobile. So I'm going to be showing you various methods on how you can recover it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First method is that log out of your current account. You have logged into your device and then go to the settings, tap on the settings page, click on legal and privacy. Once you click on legal and privacy, right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as log out. So you'll need to log out of your account in this way. So after you've done that, you need to clear cache as well as clear your data and then reboot your device. Moving on, now you'll need to open up the game. The game will offer you three possible login methods, that is guest account, Call of Duty, or sign in with your Facebook account. Just select on guest button, and if it does not ask you to enter your username, and you've recovered your guest account on COD. But if it asks to enter a username, you did not get back your guest account on Call of Duty. And if you're unable to recover it, you can contact the activation support to recover your Call of Duty mobile guest account. For that, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in support.activation.com, and also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you're on this page, scroll down, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see a list of options. In case if you have linked your guest account with any of these following options, then you can click on it and then you'll be able to recover your account. But if you haven't done it, then just click on I don't have any account linked, and you'll be directed to the support center. And right at the bottom you can see there are two different options, such as I can't log in into my account and log into activation accounts. So what you need to do is right on this page, click on I can't log into my account. So right on this page there are articles, so you can go through it and then follow the on-screen method. And you can also get in contact with the activation support with the Twitter. So what you need to do is you need to type in the link, that is mobile.twitter.com/ATVIA assist. So I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below, and after that you can submit a report about your issue. So those were the few methods on how you can recover your guest account on Call of Duty Mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.